This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on charting in Excel, and in this session we learn about how to create up 3D bar charts in Excel. Now from our previous discussions we have learned that to create up a bar chart in Excel we need to select the data, go to the bar column over here and click on the right button over here. Now since from our past discussions on other form of charts also we know that Excel provides us a way of creating a 3D chart out of all this also. And again, to create a 3D chart, 3D bar chart out of all this, we need to first select the data, go on to the insert tab, click on the bar menu over here and click on this button. Now you can see the Excel has given a three-dimensional touch to the data representation over here. There is no difference in the type of data being represented by this chart or this chart, but this chart for representational purposes has a depth value inside it also. Besides the x value and the y value, it has a z value also, which is the third dimension. And what if you wanted to create a 3D stacked bar chart in Excel? Again, you need to select the data, go to the insert option and click on the bar button over here and then click 3D bar. And there you go, we have a 3D stacked bar chart in Excel. To give you a comparison of its 2D counterpart, I will just present a two-dimensional bar chart of the same data also. And you can see this is a two-dimensional stacked bar chart in Excel, and this is its three-dimensional counterpart. There is no difference between the two charts except for the fact this is being represented three-dimensionally and it has a depth value also. Last but not the least, if you want to create up a percentage 3D bar stack chart in Excel, again you need to select the data, go to the insert menu, bar, and then click on this button. There you go. Let me just quickly go through that again. I made it from clicking the insert button, clicking on the bar button over here, and then clicking on this button over here. This would create up a percentage 3D stacked bar chart in Excel. Now to give you a comparison of this 3D chart with its two-dimensional counterpart, let me present that also. We made it by clicking on this button over here, and here we have it. Again, these two charts are exactly the same except for the fact this chart is being represented three-dimensionally in this figure over here. So this is all about creating up 3D bar charts in Excel. Thank you for watching.